morning, guys, and today we are having our next tour, which called Volcanoes and Gobustan. Very excited to see it. Okay, join us and let's have fun together. Again, we are first on breakfast because we are going for early tour. Delicious cheese. Oh, even brownies. Let's begin our trip to the Gobustan National Park and enjoy nature's amazing wonders. I promise you, you will see something you have never seen before. Our guide Ali was very helpful. He picked us from our hotel and drove us along the Caspian Sea. See, such a beautiful sight. And by the way, this is not a sea, this is a lake. But it's so big that everyone calling it a sea. The road to Gobustan took 1.5 hours approximately. We will visit the museum and then we'll go up to terrace. Ticket was 15 manat per person. In this museum we will fall in love with the Stone Age and see how people were living 8,000 years ago. Here you can see how surface changed, and before all this area was covered with water. This place was discovered only in 1930 and in 1966 is declared as a National Historic Landmark. You can find 6,000 rock engraving on over 1,000 surfaces of rocks. Some rocks are really huge. These pictures show the evolution of humans, animals, hunting, how they domesticated animals, even some history of dance, the way how our ancestors buried people and how they cooked. It was really interesting. I am not a big fan of museums, but this museum was nice and I liked that it's not too long. What I also liked that here in museum they will explain you everything what you're gonna see in the upper terrace. There it's windy and hot, so much more pleasant to discover this place in this way. Tour in museum lasted not more than 15-20 minutes, and then we went to terrace. First thing which we saw, one of the most notable discoveries here, was this musical instrument, gavaldashi. It's believed that ancient humans performed rituals by producing sounds with this stone. So we also try to perform some rituals. Till now many Azerbaijan musicians are using the sound of gavaldash to create pieces of music. I can't hide, it was interesting experience to learn about the history of the world's oldest civilization. Ancient kitchen. Ancient kitchen.
Кухня Богустана называется. Kitchen.
You can see a dog chasing big pig. Here even garbage bins are covered with an ancient painting. I would advise you to visit this place at 10 a.m. not later, otherwise you will face a crowd. After Gobustan we are going to check out mud volcanoes.
And I've heard that these mud volcanoes are pretty unique. Azerbaijan has the biggest density of them out of about 800 total mud volcanoes in the world. Azerbaijan has 350, and it's really incredible. I don't even know what a mud volcano is. I always thought that a volcano was like a huge mountain and there would be lava coming out, so it would be a very interesting sight.
The scenery was exceptional, a must-see. Looked like we are in some another planet. You know, here you can make a movie about Mars. And we are going to check mud volcanoes. Yes, mud volcanoes. Azerbaijan has almost 400 of them. They occur where tectonic movement allows subterranean gases to escape to the surface. Entrance is free, you just need a short drive from Gobustan. On the way you can find pipes with gas and oil. The biggest mud volcano is 700 meters high and 10 kilometers wide. These volcanoes are close cousins to magmatic volcanoes. They also often erupt powerfully and hurl flames to great heights. Did you hear about volcanic mud bath? Yes, apparently it's very good for your skin. We didn't try, but this mud is rich in minerals like sulfur, magnesium, zinc, and it's removing dead outer layers of skin while it cleans the skin. It didn't smell nice, and you have to take a very long bath after it because it contains oil. So maybe next time we will try. Also, some people are taking this mud to apply at home like a mask. This area is pretty windy. That's why I would advise you to wear something, not a dress like I did. Wear pants and comfortable shoes because you will have to climb a little bit. This is something unbelievable. You can see fire and on same time mud is gurgles. Is it possible? Mud on fire? Check this out. I was shocked, honestly. If you will be cold, don't worry. It's very easy to make a fireplace here. But don't repeat what that man just did. Yes, this land is full of gas. If you checked our previous video about Gabala in Azerbaijan, you're probably surprised to see semi-desert area here. But despite the fact that Azerbaijan is a tiny country, it has 9 out of 11 climate zones. After our tour, we went to the center of Baku for a lunch. Not in Burj Khalifa, even Baku has Burj Khalifa, but in the restaurant Nergis, which serves traditional Azerbaijani food. We're gonna have here eggplant roll for 50, plus Baku salad, zira tomato, onion.
Did you find this one?
Even borscht they have. We can order 3 kilograms of plov. Check how many types of plov. Nargis, Turshu, Fisinjan, traditional, Sabzi, Maiden Tower, hand plov, 7 beauties, Sirler, Chekhirtma, sweet plov, and Narpich plov. The different types of jams. They have olives with walnuts, watermelon, cherry, dogwood. Oh my faith, wow, everything, strawberry, cherries, all sorts of jams are here. Number 1, Baku salad.
Onions, tomatoes.
Onions, tomatoes, cheese, cucumber.
Simple enough.
Yeah,
But nice.
Very tasty cheese. My soup from domestic chicken and cereals dofa.
Doga is like curd-based soup with vegetables, dill, parsley, spinach, lots of green stuff in it. So healthy stuff and curd. Easy, good stuff.
Our kutams. This is you using with meat, and this cream for kutams with greens. Loaf with chestnuts, apricot. Cyril took it immediately, so we can see what is inside. This is Azerbaijan paklava. What is inside? Nuts?
Milk solids, nuts, some milk solids and nuts, I think. Yep. And some semolina, I think.
Honey, no?
No, semolina.
And this is a Turkish baklava. So this is our total bill. Salad 480, doka 550, kutams 1 something, choco, compot. Look at these wonderful trees just in the center of city, in the central street. Met some locals. This rain. It's raining and it's super sunny. Found a huge collection of cactuses. So many different types. And so giant. Look at these olives. It is boat tour, but check this queue. If you're ready to wait that long, you're welcome. Duration 30 minutes, payment 5 manat. Work time from 4 till 10. Look, they're selling plov here. It's rice. Rice with nut. So all these cars are taxis, at least most of them, and they're just standing like this, they are parked like this, see, in the middle of street. And this is our taxi.